Hi, welcome to a tutorial on how to use BorrowBox through City of Ride libraries. This is aimed at first-time users, and for this example, we'll be using an iPad. Click on the BorrowBox app to open it. Once opened, you will need to choose your library. Search for City of Ride library and select. You will then need to enter your library card number and library PIN or password. Read the terms and conditions and press the Agree button to continue. For first-time users, you'll be required to provide an email address to complete registration. And now we're in! Upon your first login, BorrowBox will offer you some tips to help you along your way. Here is the home screen where you can see your loans and reserves. We currently don't have any, so let's check out what's on offer. Located at the bottom of your screen is the menu bar with options for your loans, e-audiobooks, and search. To browse the collection, press the middle icon, e-audiobooks. And voila! Here you can see the latest additions to our online collection. These include new and trending titles as well as curated lists of interest. You can filter your search by audience, categories, subcategories, and genres. Let's try searching for something. In the search bar, type a title or author of interest. I would like to see if we have any books in the Mortal Instruments series by Cassandra Clare. Oh, I can see we have the whole series, and I would like to look at the first book called City of Bones. This page shows you information on the title and is where you can preview your book and borrow it. To borrow, press the green button and confirm your loan. Once complete, you can choose to listen to your title now or save it for later and keep browsing. To start listening, click the green download button in the center of the screen to begin downloading. Now back on your My Loans page, you can see your number of current loans. This number indicates how many loans and reserve slots you have left. To return an item, press the return button and confirm. All items are returned automatically at the due date and do not accrue fines. However, if you are finished with your book, please return it for the next person to borrow. To reserve a title on loan, the process is similar to borrowing, except the option is now orange and says reserve. Click it and then confirm your reservation. You can see your reserve is now there on your My Loans page. If you wish to cancel at any time, simply click this button and confirm cancellation. And that's it! We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please contact us via phone or email. Thank you for watching and happy borrowing!